Most of us are missing out on survey because we keep using our real phone, and this limits how much we make on surveys. If you are using your real phone for surveys, you are limiting how much you make. Like, we are limiting how much we make. I just found this information, this amazing information of a free cloud phone that you can use, and trust me, the opportunities that this particular information will bring your way is enormous. So if you're interested in making a lot of money through paid survey, if you are tired of screened out, if you are tired of not available in your country, like you're tired of all the frustrations of survey, make sure you stick around and watch this video. This particular video is a game changer. This video is going to change your survey journey for good. A lot of people don't realize this, but survey company track your device, track your usage, track your location. That's why you get screened out, or you notice that you see fewer surveys. Like, I posted my survey screenshot of my profile, of my survey profile, and a lot of people were asking me that, oh, what demography am I using? Why do I have this high paying survey on my profile, on my survey profile? So these are some of the things that cloud phone will help you do. It will help you get better survey opportunities more than when you're using your real phone. For those of us that don't know what a cloud phone is basically a virtual phone. It works online. It's like an app that you download on your phone, but a phone on its own. I don't know how to explain this thing for you to understand. It's a virtual phone that works exactly like your phone. You understand? You can make call with it. You can don't worry, I will show you exactly how it looks so that you understand, but it's basically a virtual phone. It's a real phone, but a virtual one. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is the first time seeing me, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid survey. If this is something you're interested in learning, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your beautiful comments, like this video, share it to your friends and family so that you can also learn, okay? And lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I drop them, or when I'm live, so that you can come and ask me questions live. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into this particular video. Let me show you how to set up your cloud phone and start enjoying more opportunities with paid surveys. The first thing you need to do is to locate your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Where is my Play Store now? So go to your Play Store and then you search Island. Spell it like this, I-S-L-A-N-D, Island, and then you search. Okay, so this is the first one. Because I already have it on my phone, so it is telling me to open. But because you don't have it, it will be telling you install. Okay, so you go ahead and install it. Okay, so I'll just open it like this. So you see that this is how the Island interface looks like. Okay, so if you open it newly, it will just show discovery like this. This is what it will show you. Okay, but all of these things, you don't need them. If I go to mainland now, you see that this is all the app that I have on this my phone. Every single app I have on my phone, this is what you're seeing here. All the apps on my phone. So if you open it like this, you will see all the app on your phone will be on your mainland. Okay, but this Island now is where you will get a fresh IP. With this Island now, you have a separate phone. So you can see that the apps I have on this my Island now, this is just what I have. I have this bubble shooter game. I have this Facebook Lite. I have my super proxy. I have my files. I have Google Play Store. Then I have my contacts. This is just all I have in this my Island now. So now, if you are starting for the first time, it will not open like this. Before it will open like this, it will ask you to go to Play Store and set up, because it's a new phone. So all you need to do is to use any email in your phone. You use any email in your phone and then set and register with any email. Then it will open blank. Then you will now go to your Play Store. Remember, the Play Store on this island and the Play Store on my main phone are two different Play Stores. Do you understand? So if I want to download any app in this my phone now, like this my cloud phone, all I need to do is to click on this my Play Store. If I click on the Play Store, I'll be able to download any. I'll click on it like this. Turn on work apps, yes. Then I turn it on. It will take you to your Play Store. Then you'll be able to download any app. Like I don't have a browser app on this island now. So the next app I want to download is my what is it called now? Is my browser, the browser I want to work with, be it Chrome, no, I don't use Chrome browser, be it Edge browser or Brave browser, any browser I want to use, I just go ahead and search it and I download it. You understand? So this is how this island works. This is how it works. Sorry. So this is how it works. Now, for those of you that are using proxy, now you can buy two different proxies. Use one on your phone, because now your phone has a different IP, and this island has a different IP on its own because it's another phone. So, but if you're just working, on with just one proxy, you can just use this island as a cloud phone. You understand? But note that there are some sites that this island may not work on, like some site that has strict security, like Antapu. Island may not work on it, though I've seen someone that say they do their Antapu with island, but I don't think you want to take that risk. Okay, but for other strict sites like Pure Profile, QMe, Branded, and all those sites, Life Points, you can try them with island. So you understand? So this is exactly how this island app works. You can give it a try and let me know your experience. Now that you've learned how to set up your cloud phone, you can now start accessing survey platforms through this particular cloud phone. A lot of persons, some of my fellow surveyors in my community, they've had beautiful experience using this particular cloud phone. I want you to go and give it a try and then come back and tell me your experience with it. Or if you have been using Island before, let me know your experience with it, okay? Let me be clear. This particular cloud phone does not work for everyone, okay? But if it works for you, you are lucky. You can go ahead and start using it. And then, because you're using a cloud phone does not mean that you violate the rules of the platform you're working on. Every platform has their rules. And using a cloud phone does not exempt you from facing the consequences of breaking their rules, okay? Respect their rules and their regulation, and trust me, you will have a good survey experience. I just thought to tell you this. Finally, I want to also remind you that this channel is focused on helping you make money online through paid surveys. Every opportunity to make money online through paid surveys, I bring them here to your screen so that you will learn, implement, and start making more money online through paid surveys, okay? And if you are experiencing survey frustration, or you are about starting your survey journey, you don't know how to start, you don't know what to do, you don't know which app to do, you don't know which settings to do, or how to start your survey journey, you can reach out to me. I offer coaching. I offer survey trainings. I have students I coach. So if you want to be my student or you want me to coach you, send me a DM on Facebook and I'll be glad to coach you. Or drop a comment here, say I want to be your student, okay? And I will tell you what to do. So this is all I have for you in this video. I hope you got value from it. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.